You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name correctly. Yes, it's from German, alright? There is a correct English pronunciation and a correct German pronunciation. If you want to say Mozart in German, stay tuned, I've got a video for you. So, in English, Wolfgang. Wolfgang is how it's pronounced. The German pronunciation, however, some would argue the correct pronunciation is as Wolfgang. Wolfgang. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.